You are so fortunate enough if you are doing something which is your passion.
Yeah, absolutely. Look how far you've come. Today I'm in conversation with Prabeen Agarwal. He is a top upcoming financial investment professional and he's recognized by the industry. In fact, he caters to over 6,000 individuals comprising of 2,500 families with an AUM of over 600 crore rupees and that is only growing. तो आज हम बात करते हैं उनका जर्नी के बारे में, investment philosophy, investing in SIPs, being a patient investor and of course, the power of compounding. Thank you so much Prabeen sir for being with us today. Let's start off by discussing your journey क्योंकि बहुत inspirational है. You hail from a very small town and that is a village actually, Rajganj if I'm not mistaken, and then you landed up in Siliguri. No friends, no contacts, nothing and still you've made it. It's easier said than done. और बताइए आपका journey के बारे में.
Thanks Avan, thanks for having me here. Avan, from my early teens I started my investing and I don't know how I started this, and as early as 1994-95 तब इंडिया में प्राइवेट म्यूचुअल फंड्स की जर्नी लगभग शुरू हुई थी. आई यूज्ड टू बाय द फिजिकल शेयर्स इन स्मॉल क्वांटिटीज एंड देन आफ्टर ए डिकेड 2005 में मैंने स्टॉक ब्रोकिंग से शुरुआत की आनंद राठी के साथ, एंड सून देयर आफ्टर आई वेंचर्ड इनटू म्यूचुअल फंड. And once I was there in the mutual fund, I started doing everything to promote it and for SIPs, for mutual fund, and the journey is continuing.
Yeah, and I think you had that passion when you were a student. Only used to take your pocket money or share market में invest करते थे. Do you think that passion that you had from a young age is very important to succeed in life today also?
Yes, Avan, जैसे कि कहते हैं कि you are so fortunate enough if you are doing something which is your passion.
Yeah.
So I tried to become a chartered accountant, failed couple of times, but when I started doing something I am passionate about, then the journey becomes truly different. And today I'm sitting with you here.
Yeah, absolutely. Look how far you've come.
Mutual fund investments are subject to market risks. Read all scheme related documents carefully.
म्यूचुअल फंड निवेश बाजार की जोखिमों के अधीन हैं. योजना से जुड़े सभी दस्तावेजों को ध्यान से पढ़ें.